Wishes. I'm Jen. Stefan is here too. But we are back with another room tour. So for this trip, we stayed at Pop Century. We were staying in the 70s building, building 10. We were on the 3rd floor in room 301. It was a corner, or is a corner room. And we were really nicely located because we were close to not only the main building, but also to the Skyliner. So yeah, we feel like the 70s building was a great place to stay if you are trying to be close to those two areas. So anyway, we are going to show you the room now, so here we go. All right, so this is the view when you walk into the room. Keep in mind, this is the last day of our stay, so you may notice some things look lived in, but we cleaned up as best as we could. So this is your view when you walk in. You obviously have your window over here. Then you have your like little kitchen area, so ice bucket, cups, coffee maker, and mini fridge. There's also a rack for your luggage if you want to use that. I did want to point out, for the 50th anniversary, there are special little like Joffrey's Disney's 50th blend little K-cups, or whatever they're called, for the Cuisinart. So that's really cool. I thought that was a really special touch. This room does come with two, I believe, full-size beds, but as usual, I will look it up and put it right here if that is incorrect. The first bed here is actually a like I don't know if it's called like a Murphy style bed, but you pull it down from the wall. So this is what it looks like on the inside. Maybe Stefan can demonstrate what it looked like when we came in. Ooh, it's really quite quiet when you do that. But then there is an actual like little table, and we actually moved the chairs over there so you could see the bed. But yeah, you have a little table and chairs, so you have a place to drop your stuff if there's only 2 of you staying in the room, but you can have 4 people staying in here as well. So over here we have the standard television, a lot of counter space. Inside here we have your Bible, you know, as you find in every hotel room, the safe, and an extra pillow. I don't know why you would need extra pillows because there were 8,000 pillows on our bed, but you never know. Then here we have extra storage, some drawers, lots of outlets. So if you need to charge any devices, there's a lot of outlets here. They're still doing the enhanced cleaning, as well as the enhanced cleaning of the remote. And you get a special 50th guide, take-along guide to the world. Little peg hooks to hang up your belongings, ponchos, bags, etc. These are the chairs that go with the table. Then we come into the bathroom. Let me just show you real quick that just like in all Disney rooms, you have a door that closes, that blocks off the bathroom from the main area. So if one of you, or one person's getting ready and the rest are sleeping, you can kind of have privacy. Here is your closet. So there's a little closet area and some extra storage beneath. So here we have the ironing board. And then when you come in here, you have hair dryer and iron. So that's all stored in here. You also have extra toiletries up at the top. Some additional storage down here, towels, sink, makeup mirror, very large like vanity mirror, hello. Here's the bathroom. Again, this bathroom is a sliding door. Seeing that more and more often as like a space-saving technique. You get a full-length mirror here when you're getting ready in the morning. Pull this back. And the shower and the bathroom, I feel, are really nicely updated. So you get your H2O products, as usual. You have that handy dandy little wire so you can hang up your clothes, your wet clothes. But it comes with a waterfall shower. Isn't that nice? The waterfall shower, handheld device as well. And it's a glass door. Isn't that pretty? I feel like they did a really nice job in the bathroom. We used all of the towels, but you would have towels here. Your toilet, of course. Hi. Here is the main bed, I guess you could say, the one that's always available. I liked that it had like these 2 reading lights. We have one on right now, but there are 2 reading lights on the side. There's also a light up at the top. There's a light on this side, but it's a little harsh, so we kept it off. But it is there. Plenty, like I said, plenty of outlets, plenty of space, plenty of storage. Obviously, it comes with a telephone in case of an emergency or something like that. One other thing is that there's plenty of storage underneath the bed where you can put your luggage and get things out of the way, because the room, since it is a value resort, is a little bit smaller than a moderate or deluxe room. It's good to have like those space-saving techniques. So you can put the bed up, you can put your luggage underneath the bed, and that is really helpful. All right, well, that is going to be our room tour. I'll also include some footage of the resort overall in this video, so you can check that out. But overall, I feel like it was it's a great place to stay. It's a value, so it's definitely more budget friendly. It is very busy here. There are a lot of families, a lot of people, and similar to Caribbean Beach, you can hear noise like from outside the room. I don't know if you could hear when we first started recording, there was some like stuff going on, but yeah, you're gonna hear noise, but it's usually pretty quiet in the evenings. And is there anything else?
Yeah, no, that's it. I mean, it's a very nice place to stay. We love the theming, especially outside and for the different areas, 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s.
Yeah.
I think that's done very well. Again, this was the first time we stayed in the 70s area last time we were here. Stayed in the 90s. So yeah, everything has its own little special, unique things. Even the pools are all different in the different areas. So it's a lot of fun. It's a good place to stay.
And of course, this is a Skyliner resort, so you get the benefit of the Skyliner taking you to Epcot and Hollywood Studios without having to pay like a huge price tag like Riviera or Caribbean Beach, which is awesome.
Yeah, as you guys know, we love the Skyliner. It's our new favorite thing.
So we're like, we're taking advantage of another Skyliner resort for this trip.
Right. Fun fact, we took every mode of transportation during this trip.
Yes, we did. So if you enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel if you haven't already.
Yeah, and please drop a comment. We love reading them, we love replying to them. Have you stayed here? Have you stayed is there a favorite decade that you stayed in?
Yeah, let us know in the comments. That'd be great. So we are going to run off to the parks now, but I hope you all have a great day and
keep on wishing. Fun fact, we took every mode of transportation during this trip.
Yes, we did.
It was a lot of grind. Great fun is what it was going to be.
Okay, good.
It was a lot of fun. Yeah, to take all this.
Okay.
Yeah. It's not gonna work. Okay. I don't know where to go from here.
It was a lot of fun.
Yeah.
All right. Well, if you enjoyed watching this video,
I held it. I was so close.